Has it started? It's good? Alright, I'm gonna try to connect it over here. See if I can pull up the comments over here. We're live right now for my 400 subscriber lab tour. Alright, I got the comments up here now. And I'm just gonna be waiting for some people to roll in and we'll get started. So basically today, just to celebrate 400 subscribers, we hit that milestone around a week ago. And I just wanted to give you guys an update on my home chemistry lab tour. A few stuff has changed since my last video of showing around my lab. And yeah, I want to give you guys a nice update. I think it'd be something nice to do. I did promise that for a couple of weeks. I did mention that I wanted to show around my lab. All right. I'm gonna wait for some more people to come in before I get started, so we don't miss anything. But so yesterday I had a live video on Instagram. That was a lot of fun. You guys should definitely come next time. I'm gonna try to do those once a week. Yeah, it was a nice time hanging out with my subscribers there. We did a Q&A actually, and that was a lot of fun. Matthew Evans says, "Congrats on 400, man." Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
I can see the comments from here too.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, just let me know if I'm like doing something.
Yeah.
And then,
I'll
yeah.
see all the comments.
By the way, that's my cameraman. That's my brother.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, he was in my live video yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah, and he's the one who got me this lab coat. So shout out to him.
Yep. We got Badless on, Bad's lab.
Yes, a very nice lab coat.
The American flag.
Yes, yes. You guys will be seeing this for a while. I don't think I'm ever gonna get a new lab coat. This is the one. All right. How many at? We're at 3 viewers.
4.
4 viewers.
Back to 3.
Back to 3. Okay. So yeah, yesterday Instagram Live. You guys gotta start coming to those. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna start doing them once a week, I think. And basically, the plan is to basically go through everything I've got in my lab setup. Over here, I'm gonna go more in depth later on, but I'll give a quick overview. I keep all my acids over here, my hydrogen peroxide, my dyes, and a bunch of random miscellaneous stuff. We got wires, string. Don't know why I have. Oh, probably for crystallizations. I had the string for. What's this called? Multimeter. Multimeter.
Multimeter.
Yeah, multimeter.
Duct tape.
Duct tape. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. This was useful when I made my hydrogen generator. This came in use. And then what else? Oh, the hot glue gun. Yeah, that's also for making my hydrogen generator. And then over here, I got copper metal, which is for making all of my copper salts. Yeah.
You got some batteries?
Yes, I got some batteries over there. I think I just bought a bunch of batteries out for when I made my hydrogen generator. A lot of them turned out to be dead when I checked them with the multimeter. And never turned out throwing them out, so yeah.
You got a display for desserts?
Yep. Here are my desserts, if you want to see my desserts. Ooh. Over here, yes. You can give them a quick view on that. Yes.
We got copper.
Yes, we have copper for my most recent video, which I turned this copper sulfate back into the copper. And the copper sulfate was from reacting copper metal and sulfuric acid. And then copper carbonate, copper chloride, and potassium tetrachlorocuprate. And I have a bunch of empty ones, which is for future videos. I plan on making a lot of copper salts and other salts.
So you've only kept your copper salt?
Yes, I haven't made any other ones yet.
Else,
yeah. Yeah. Copper ones are the easiest to make, honestly. So I might
5 viewers.
The 5 viewers. Welcome to the video, guys. Yeah, I guess I'll just continue with giving the lab tour. I'll go more in depth, honestly, because
yeah,
there's no need to do it again. Yeah. The dyes, okay. I don't know why I have so many dyes. Salicylic acid, that was for my video where I made methyl salicylate, which was the wintergreen. And then I have, oh, this is empty, hydrochloric acid, which is not concentrated at all. I tried reacting this with aluminum and nothing happened, so that shows this is basically useless. I think I tried concentrating it and then I lost all of it. I have sulfuric acid, which is a drain cleaner. I got 2 of these. Basically like 94, 95% sulfuric acid. So it's perfect. Just got drain cleaner for sulfuric acid. Then this muriatic acid, which is hydrochloric acid. Definitely something everyone will need in the lab. Comes in use for lots of things. Acetic acid, vinegar. I think I'm gonna make, what was it? Sodium acetate soon, so I needed that. Then in the back, phosphoric acid. You need this as a catalyst for a lot of things. So yeah, these are all my acids. If you guys have any questions about anything, I'm open to answer.
Yeah, text any comments you got.
Yeah, any comments about anything. This is just
Anything.
yeah, we're just hanging out with my subscribers, celebrating 400 subs. All right, let's get into the glassware. This is my glassware section. I'll start at the bottom. I have popsicles. I don't know what that's for. A bunch of glass stir rods. They came in a set of 12, and yeah, I use that for basically everything. The syringe, like a dropper. And then I have a mortar and pestle. This is very good for grinding anything up. For if I want to turn anything into a powder, get the reaction rate faster. Scale, another scale. I think this one goes to like 2 decimal points. This one probably also goes to 2 decimal points. And yeah, those are definitely recommend. I think they're meant for kitchens, but yeah, great for chemistry. This, basically anything I do that involves something getting like blown up, I do it on this cap. And then random stuff, a knife, I don't know. And then over here, I forgot what these are called, but it's one of those digital measures.
Oh wow.
Yeah, very cool. I got it from, I did some online chemical engineering class, and they sent me like a bunch of stuff for labs. So if you look at the top, all that stuff is stuff that they sent me. All these plastic beakers and graduated cylinders, they sent me for this online chemical engineering class that I did, which is pretty nice on their part. Over here, this was a cold finger that I used for sublimation. I was trying to sublime caffeine crystals, and it did not go that well. I have a Pepsi can there for some reason. Forgot what I was doing with this. Oh, for my smoke flare video. Yeah, I turned out doing it in just a ping pong ball. And then we got the mason jar, and some funnels for whenever I'm filtering stuff out. And the filter paper, obviously, for when I'm filtering stuff out. 185 millimeters and 100 of them. Good stuff. We got balloons. I actually end up using balloons a lot in my experiments for some reason. And my glass beakers, I have a 250 milliliter one. And over here in my drying, this is like my drying area, 500 milliliter, and then a 100 milliliter beaker. So three glass beakers and 3 Erlenmeyer flasks. We got 50, a 150, and this is gonna be 250. Yeah, so that basically gets the job done. 3 glass beakers, 3 Erlenmeyer flasks. Don't really need much more than that.
A lot of storage space you got.
I do, a lot of storage space. This is like an unused type kitchen space in the basement. So I was very lucky to be able to turn this into my, my makeshift lab for my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of plastic pipettes. Yeah. So that's basically everything from this section. Thank you. We got any comments? Let's see.
Not yet.
Not yet. All right. And over here, it's the sink. It's nice having a sink, very convenient over here. Then this is for cleaning like the glassware and the graduate cylinders.
Show how the sink works. Nice.
And this is the biggest funnel I have. The manganese oxide is very hard to wash off. I might have to it's plastic, so it might not be a good idea to wash with acid, but it's still stained from when I was filtering my manganese oxide. Rubber gloves, nitrile gloves. yeah, it's always important to wear gloves whenever you're doing any type of experiment. Some, you know, paper towel. And then this and this were my hydrogen generator. I forgot why I turned out cutting it. I was doing something, I ended up cutting it. But you have water in here, and then you hook up, turn this to anode, cathode. You hook up a 9-volt battery to both of these ends. Hydrogen gas gets produced. It goes into this, gets bubbled into this one, and then it gets bubbled out of the distilled water and comes out of there. And I tried collecting in a balloon. That was a fun video. And this bubbler might come in use, so I just kept it if I'm ever doing something in the future with that. Do I have anything here? Yes, a lot of stuff here. Okay, over here I kind of keep like random stuff that I've collected throughout the lab, and some, yeah, a lot of miscellaneous stuff. Okay, starting here, a bunch of test tubes, and then I keep some of this like products for my videos. This was copper acetate, but it was super dilute, and I didn't get a lot of it, and I wasn't able to crystallize it. I might redo that video. And then over here is
bismuth.
Yes, it is bismuth. Oh yeah, it's labeled.
No, I knew that.
Yeah. Okay. And and then we have trimethylxanthine. I want to be fancy and call it that. Well, it's really just caffeine. Could it focus on the crystals that are developed?
Yeah, you could see it a little bit.
Yeah, those are caffeine crystals that are developing.
Oh yeah, I got a good look at it right now.
Nice. Needle-like caffeine crystals that have developed there. And then methyl salicylate. This is wintergreen. It's actually the liquid part. That's the methyl salicylate, and the bottom is salicylic acid that precipitated out. Thanks for showing us around your home and lab. Thank you, Brainwave. I thought it's always nice to show you guys the kind of behind the scene of what's going on in the lab. So I'm glad you're enjoying it. So this methyl salicylate, the cool part about it is that it smells like mint. It's actually the chemical that smells like mint. Let's see if it still smells. It does. It still smells like mint. Very cool.
Brainwave said, "Congratulations on 400. Quite amazing and inspiring. Well done."
Thank you. Thank you, man.
Next 400.
Next 400, yes. Hopefully very soon.
So where did you get all this equipment from?
A lot of it was from Amazon.
Amazon, okay.
Yeah.
So it's fairly easy to set up.
Yeah, if you guys want to get into being an amateur chemist and starting your own like kind of home lab setup, it's pretty easy to get started. You can get a lot of stuff from Amazon. You can get a lot of stuff from, if you're trying to get more like harder chemicals to get, you can get it from laballey.com. That's where I had to get my hydrogen peroxide, because you can't really get that like 30% hydrogen peroxide anywhere else. But other than my hydrogen peroxide, I got everything from Amazon or like Home Depot and stuff like that.
Good to know.
Yeah. So yeah, I hope I inspire some people to start their own, home chemistry labs. All right, so methyl salicylate, and then over here, my first ever video, big throwback, capsaicin. I think the methanol evaporated a decent amount because it was over here. And yeah, very, very concentrated capsaicin at the bottom. That would probably...
Spicy.
Yes, spicy. It's the chemical in peppers that makes it spicy. And when it's that concentrated, it can burn your skin. So, dangerous stuff. We got potassium chloride. Useful for whenever I need extra chloride ions in a reaction without having to mess around with sodium. Yeast. I think the only reason I had this is for the elephant toothpaste reaction. And I want to do that again because I have way higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide now. And then sodium bicarbonate, just baking soda. Manganese dioxide. I extracted this from zinc carbon batteries, and I actually still have a decent amount, which is nice. Yeah. Manganese, it's also called manganese oxide, manganese dioxide, both the same thing. And yeah. Sodium chloride. You guys know what sodium chloride is, table salt. Sucrose. I crystallized the sugar, and it came out pretty cool. I don't know why I kept it. And Magnesium Sulfate, just Epsom salt. I think I burned some of this
Is that what
with
they
methanol.
use for bath salts?
For Epsom, yeah, the bath salt.
Very cool.
Hydrogen peroxide. I think this was just mouthwash. I don't know why I kept that. It was mouthwash. It was based with hydrogen peroxide, and I just labeled it hydrogen peroxide because I'm stupid.
Don't say that.
All right, yeah. And then over here we have my flammables. So I keep some extra plastic.
Ooh.
It's acetone, nail polish remover, and we have methanol. That comes in use as a solvent a lot of times, and acetone also as a solvent a lot of times. Over here we got sand. I literally went to the beach, picked up this sand myself with my brother actually.
I carried it for him.
Yeah, sometimes we took some turns, carrying it. Obviously, I'm the stronger one, so I was carrying it most of the time.
What?
And then, and I needed this because a lot of people are commenting that if I'm gonna have my glass directly on the hot plate, it can damage my glass from heat shock. So I started putting sand in this pan and then putting my glassware in there. But then it started heating so slow, and I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna start putting my glassware on the hot plate anyway. It's whatever.
Now he just uses that for hitting me.
No. And oh yeah, this I made in a video, how to make a disinfectant with hydrogen peroxide, and I still have it. I don't really use it to clean anything, but it's nice to have around here. Yeah. How's it going over here?
We got 5 viewers.
5 viewers. Good stuff.
Brainwave said, careful opening that a while ago. I don't know what he's referring to.
Oh, okay.
Maybe some dangerous.
It was probably the methyl salicylate that I opened, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What else is there to see in your lab?
Over here, this is kind of teaching section of my lab.
Let's see your markers.
Oh yeah. A lot of them over here.
You got some markers.
Expo markers, yes.
You got a adder kit. That's my old one from back in the day.
Yeah, it was passed down. Yeah.
Never used it, but he's never used it yet either.
I think I used it in like one video. I kind of just show stuff.
Good for videos.
Yeah. Yeah, so I keep my markers and stuff. There's nothing really else down here, yeah. Over here, it's my teaching side. Keep markers. Whiteboard over here. 400 subs, we got that written down. Celebrating today.
Dude tapped to a fridge, said yas.
Yas.
400 subs. This is where he makes his videos. The tripod.
Sir. This is the tripod. This is, you guys see my intros, any of my theoretical videos, all my teaching videos. Happens on this whiteboard right here. You guys know it. And over here, this is a notebook that I got. Pretty cool notebook. Yeah, I found it in the mall one day. And I plan a lot of my my videos, my experiments on this before I get into them. And recently haven't really been planning that much before I get into a video. I probably should get back to that. And my notebooks, I think last year when I took AP Chem, I turned out like filling both of these notebooks. And I look back at these whenever I am doing some type of teaching video. So yeah. This is like a calc notebook because I teach calc on this channel once in a while. And over here, let's get into the stuff over here. I have matches, and I don't know what else.
Eating ware.
Eating ware. And so these are labels that I use to label my salts that I make. Aluminum foil, spared aluminum foil.
What's that aluminum for? Extra?
Don't call it aluminium. It's aluminum.
Oh, apologies.
Yeah. Sharpie for labeling stuff, and some tape. And
What type of tape was that?
it was tape.
Oh, just clear tape.
Yes.
And you got duct tape over there.
Yeah, duct tape back over there. And over here, I did show this earlier in the video, but this is my pride of the lab. My favorite section.
It'll be filled soon.
It will be filled soon.
Completely.
Over here, we got the copper, pure copper metal. Next, we got the copper sulfate, which is made by reacting copper, metal, my sulfuric acid, and my hydrogen peroxide to oxidize the reaction and make it go faster. Copper carbonate, which was made from this, copper sulfate and sodium bicarbonate, reacting those two in water. And then I used this to make copper salicylate, but I lost that product. And then copper chloride. This stuff looks cool. Very nice color if you guys want to see right there. Has some hints of green in there, but it's more of like a teal, bluish.
Show from the bottom maybe.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, so this was made by reacting copper metal from the copper wire that you guys saw earlier in the video and hydrochloric acid. I think I used some hydrogen peroxide in there as well. And then this is one of my favorite videos, favorite reactions, my favorite products, potassium tetrachlorocuprate. It has a great, nice, vibrant green color to it. I don't know if it's coming, the video is doing it justice, but it looks really nice. This was from reacting my copper chloride with my potassium chloride. So flooding this reaction with more chloride ions produces the tetrachlorocuprate anion, and then the potassium cation bonds. So
what's next? What's that one going to be filled with?
This next one, I am not sure yet. I'm actually looking into doing chevryl salt, which is a red copper salt. So you can see most of them are leaning towards the bluish. Yeah, it's really interesting that copper has such a big diversity in the type of salts it can make, and I really want a red one to add to my collection. So chevryl salt it is. I think you need sodium metabized sulfate for that, which I hope to get my hands on soon.
Anything in these drawers right here?
Over here, I have my hot plate.
Ooh,
yes.
Looks like it's been through some.
It's been through a lot. I'm gonna try cleaning it off.
Just stuff on it, right?
Yeah, just stuff. Yeah.
Spilled stuff on it once.
Yeah, a lot of times the reaction over foams too quickly. I add a reactant too fast.
It overfills.
Usually my bad, yeah, and it overfills. And yeah, surprised it's still working. Over here, don't think I have anything else lab related. Yeah, just like
Eating wear.
eating wear. Yes, eating wear. So that was a quick overview of my lab. If you guys want me to look into anything more specifically, talk about anything, I could get into that. But yeah, today's mostly just to celebrate 400 subs, give a new lab a new lab tour update, because I did change some stuff since then. Oh, another thing would be like if you guys have any recommendations of like what I should get next. If there's anything like I'm missing that's kind of basic that can help me make more videos, up my diversity in the type of experiments I can do, that'd be nice if you guys can give me any recommendations on like what to get next.
Maybe a distillation kit.
Yes, distillation. That can be pretty cool. It can
or that vacuum thing, the filter.
Vacuum filter. Yeah, that can be nice. I don't think I need a vacuum filter though.
Your nozzle is very thick.
Yeah, for distillation.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I have to hook it up into that. I don't think. Yeah, it might work. You can have it.
If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Do not hesitate. I'm really just here for you guys. Not
the
really.
answers to everything.
Almost everything.
Almost everything.
Yeah. Yeah. That's basically it. What else can I talk about? I did go into yesterday. You guys saw my manganese oxide over here that I extracted from the what's it called? Zinc carbon batteries. They use manganese oxide inside of their batteries. I extracted it from there and purified it a bit. So this stuff, I'm actually doing a research project in school about this. Hydrogen generators and manganese oxide. I made 2 videos on that, and that's what my research project's on. It's on how to make hydrogen generators have a longer lifespan when they use salt water as the fuel source. And manganese oxide is a catalyst that could potentially reduce the corrosion rate on the anode of when the electrolysis of salt water is done. So yeah, it's an interesting research project that I'm doing in school right now.
Brainwave said distillation would be very cool, and TMSS said very cool.
Thank you guys, thank you. Yeah, Distillation Kit, I think that would be, that up my my extraction playlist. I think I can get a lot more stuff in there if I have a distillation kit. That can definitely be something cool. Thank you, T-Messes coming in, Brainwave. What's going on, guys? Yeah.
We'll say that's about everything.
That's about everything.
I
forgot to show my protective eyewear.
Got two types.
Two types.
Level
I think
1 and 2.
Level 1 and 2. I think they're both meant for woodworking, actually.
This one's good for chemistry.
Yeah, this one's good for chemistry. Completely closed. Very nice. I mean, you guys don't even see it anymore because usually I have I started doing the thing where I record like this, have my tripod super low, the table, super zoomed into the reaction, and I'm behind it. Earlier on in my channel, I used to be in front of the camera.
We want to see you more.
No, I think you guys want to see the reaction more.
You should do a poll.
A poll?
And stuff, yeah.
And the thing, because the problem is if I'm in the video as well, then it becomes too zoomed out. So yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Eye candy.
You guys have enough eye candy right now, all right? What else was I about to say? Oh yeah. I was thinking about getting what's it called? Those paint respirators for some reactions that have like hazardous gases that are produced. I think that could definitely be something that could be useful. But I don't really handle that many dangerous reaction. But maybe like a paint respirator could come in use.
We went to get some from Home Depot and it was
sold out. It was the peak of the coronavirus. I mean, it wasn't the peak.
Respirators.
Some idiots think that getting a paint respirator will help them protect them from the coronavirus, but no. And then I couldn't get one. Yeah. People are very stupid. They want to. I don't know if there's any people walking around with paint respirators on the streets right now. Yeah, but I want to meet someone who's walking around with a paint respirator. Over here is kind of like a drying station from some of the reactions I run. I always let the final product dry overnight over here. Set it up on a plate like this, a Bounty, and a filter paper. And I think there's some products on my copper still on there from my most recent video. It dried on that one actually. And then I also do my, if you guys know my thumbnails, always like a very zoomed in picture of my product. We got any comments? Okay. Yeah, so the my thumbnail is always a super zoomed in picture of my product with a white background. So if you guys ever wondered what that is, it's actually my filter paper, the product on the right side of it, and then I just take a very zoomed in picture. And then I also run some filters, edit the picture a bit, make it look nice. You know, I'm trying to up my thumbnail game. Yeah. Yeah, it's we have 400 subs. Maybe we can reminisce on some of my videos. You want to come here, look at my channel a bit? Let's go to...
It's Inception.
Inception, yes.
It's a video in a video.
A video in a
and
video.
There's a video in that video.
Yeah.
And if you look closer, there's a video in that one.
Whoa. That's some crazy stuff. All right. Come here. We got Ubad's Lab, 400
subs right now.
We're at 403 subs.
403, okay.
Yes, sir.
500 real soon, and we're gonna do a special video for you guys.
Yeah, special video. We're at 13.5k views.
Okay, not bad.
44 videos. I did not know I had that many videos. In the last 30 days, I've made 5 videos and had 2.6k views. So that just shows, yeah, this last 30 days, my channel has improved.
You're live right now.
Oh, I am live right now. That's crazy. Go to my videos. Quick scroll through all my videos right here. Way more than I thought I had, honestly. And then these are my playlists. Just started the physics playlist most recently. Not sure if that video did too good. I mean, usually my theoretical videos don't end up doing that well because obviously that stuff's not as interesting to a lot of people. But yeah, I think it'd be nice to teach. I'm taking physics this year, so I thought it'd be nice to teach some of that stuff. It's convenient for me because I teach stuff right after I learn it. Discussion, what is this? I didn't even know it was, oh, there's one discussion comment. Hi everyone, just wanted to let you guys know that I'm open to any video suggestions and ideas, so feel free to comment here.
It's like a comment section for
the
whole channel.
Yeah, and it looks like there's one like, which was me.
Yeah, I'll hit the like button.
Alright, thank you. A description, I probably wrote this a while ago. Yeah.
Chemistry reactions, go up, what's your chemistry reactions?
My banner?
Yeah. Syntheses, Bab's lab.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I use something on Canva to make that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys like this thumbnails right here. This is the cool thumbnail. That's what I was talking about. How I set them up on a filter paper and then take the picture super zoomed in on the product. I think that's a pretty nice format for my thumbnails where I have like a nice final product. Yeah, you can see my thumbnail game definitely has improved since day one. Before, I mean, it was alright.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, they weren't horrible.
It looked like a teaching type video. It looks like a Khan Academy video.
Yeah, it does look. They had the black background. Yeah, and then obviously the home chemistry lab setup. My old video, my best video.
Right now looks much better.
Of course, much better, much better. This one was my most viewed video actually. 2.2K views were at on that one.
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah. I guess people are interested in seeing home chemistry labs compared to a lot of my other stuff.
A nice Surface Book.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is my laptop Surface Book. Very nice. And then my second most viewed video is how to make sodium chlorate. 1.5K views. Oh, we got someone in the comments. Missed 30 minutes. Oops. Okay. What's up, Forrest? What's going on? Yeah, so 1.5K views. I made sodium chlorate in this video, and that I messed up the reaction because if any of you guys are watching this, that watched that video, what happened was when you boil the sodium hypochlorite, which is the bleach, and you wait until you get a precipitate, the first precipitate that you get is actually sodium chloride, which is table salt, and then you have to filter the solution, and the sodium chlorate will be still in solution, so you have to boil it again. So I just did one step. So the product I got was sodium chloride, which is table salt, which is kind of useless because I can just go into my kitchen cabinet and get sodium chloride. And I tried burning it, which was stupid, and nothing happened. Burning sodium chlorate with salt would produce a much better reaction. And what else we had? We had a 200 sub Q&A live video as well. That was the only other live video I've had on this channel. This is the second live video I'm having on this channel. And I've had a Instagram live video before as well. A couple Instagram lives, I think. Yeah?
I think 2 of them.
Two, yeah. So two live videos on Instagram, 2 live videos on YouTube. Yeah. Hopefully I'm looking to get into more live videos in the future. I think that's a nice element of my channel that I can improve on. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Full Modern Alchemist.
What's up? What's up, Full Modern Alchemist? My homeboy. Yeah, so basically what you missed was I just gave a quick rundown of like the setup I've got here, some of the chemicals and everything, and I've just been talking to everyone. Yeah. And just reminiscing on some of my old videos with you guys. Yeah. How many people we got?
We got 6.
6?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long do you want to go for? Or do you want to wrap it up?
We could start wrapping it up, yeah. So basically, I gave you guys a quick rundown. I keep my acids over here, my glassware over there, some of my products over there, and then my salts over here, and then that is my teaching area. And yeah, so basically I just want to give a quick update since my last one because I got some new chemicals that I want to show you guys. And yeah, I think I'm going to be calling it a day. If you guys have any last minute questions, I'll see you guys. This was just a nice way to celebrate 400 subs with you guys. Yeah.
Sounds good. Love you guys.
I'll see you guys.
Bye.